We were sent matching heated vests. I'm in a size large and you're in a size large. I'd say his fits in perfectly. Mine is definitely way too big on me. So if you are a woman ordering this, size down. Now it comes with this great case, and then inside you get your power bank, which we already have in. Do you want to show us what that looks like inside?
Yep. So the power bank is just a battery pack that allows you to be able to hold a charge. You can charge it ahead of time, and then you can use it to be able to plug into your vest. It has a little cord pack and a little pocket that it stores in right back here. One of the great things about this power pack too is it also works as a charging unit for your devices. So it has a USB port on here to be able to plug in, to be able to charge your devices off of. It has the USB-C charging point to charge this on, and then it has a digital display on here that'll tell you how much charge is left in it. You can just push the little power button on the side here to be able to illuminate the display that tells you how much charge is left. And then it has the plug to be able to plug in the vest.
Super simple to do that, easy and intuitive. And then once you plug it in, on your vest, you have buttons here, and you can see they're actually illuminated. So when it's in the red, that's the highest heat, and then you can click it other times to turn it to white, which is like your middle heat, and then blue, which is gonna make the battery last the longest. So those are your options. I love that you have all the options there, and the heat zones are throughout.
Yep, one of the things on the battery side of things for the different colored lights there, you have full blast, which you get about 3.5 hours, medium, you get about 5 hours, and then on low, 8 to 8.5 hours. One of the great things about this vest is because it has the different zones, you can customize where you want the heat. So if you want the heat more in the upper part, then you push a certain button. If you want it in the lower part, then you push the other button. Really fun to be able to have something that customizes to your warmth desires. One of the other great things about this is you don't have to keep it on all the time. Once you feel the warmth, you can turn it off until you cool back down, and you can turn it on again. That'll help extend your battery life.
And then additionally, you get a mesh bag so that you can wash this. I mean, don't wash the battery pack, but you can definitely wash the vest, which is great. I could feel the heat within about 10 to 15 minutes, so it's pretty fast the way it warms up. And then again, it's gonna warm up in the different areas. So if you are looking for something a little more snug so that it warms you up faster, size down. If you're gonna be layering a ton of layers, then you may wanna size up for this. I mean, we'll probably wear them skiing, that type of thing. You might wear it just for working.
Yep, it's so comfortable. It has this nice fuzzy collar here that makes sure that it doesn't chafe, and that goes all the way around. So really nice. So if you really need to zip it up here, you're not having to worry about it chafing around your collar part. That's really nice. Has big pockets here as well to be able to put your hands in, so you can keep everything nice and toasty warm. When you have the waist part on, you can feel your arms getting warm too. Ooh, that feels so good. This is just fantastic. Zipper pockets here on the sides too, so if you didn't want to be able to have those open, zip them closed. And another great thing about this too is you have these internal pockets. So it actually has the pocket here that you can put other stuff into. So it has the pocket for the battery here, but then it has another pocket just in case you want to put other stuff in here too. So,
but these are great heated vests. I think you're gonna love it.
Yeah, whether outdoor adventure or just lounging around here to be able to extend your time outdoors, these vests are fantastic. It's so nice to be able to just have more comfort to be able to enjoy yourselves.